You don't always need a new walkway to make the front of your home look better. Sometimes the walkway itself is fine, but the edges, plants, mulch, lighting, and front door area around it are making everything feel unfinished. I'm walking through 7 easy ways to beautify your front walkway and make the whole entry feel more welcoming. Number 1, clean up the edges first because a crisp, sharp border immediately makes your entire front yard look twice as expensive. When grass creeps over the sides, weeds pop up in the cracks, or mulch spills onto the path, the entry feels a bit neglected. You do not need to tear out the stone or concrete to fix this. Simply trim the turf back, pull those stubborn weeds, and sweep the surface clean. If your path borders a garden bed, grab a spade and recut a neat, deep line. Keeping your mulch tucked just below the walkway level creates a beautiful frame that instantly catches the eye. This basic cleanup costs next to nothing, takes about 30 minutes, and makes the surrounding space look orderly and intentional. It is the perfect way to establish a tidy baseline before adding any flowers or lights, proving that sometimes the best improvement is simply defining the boundaries you already have. In second place, soften the transition between your hard paving and the rest of your yard by repeating a single, low-growing plant. A bare walkway often feels harsh and completely disconnected from the lawn, as if it was just dropped into the grass. Instead of planting a complicated mix of flowers, repeating one low species along the path instantly makes the entry feel calmer and designed. You do not need a formal, mirrored layout on both sides to get this effect. Planting in simple, odd-numbered clusters down one side or grouping them near your steps works beautifully. The secret is keeping the plants under 2 feet tall so they never crowd the walking space. For sunny walks, Walker's Low Catmint is a wonderful choice because it shrugs off heat and blooms with soft purple flowers all summer. You could also try hardy English lavender, pink creeping thyme, or low ornamental grasses. If your path is shaded, reliable hostas or compact boxwoods bring that same polished, expensive-looking structure. By echoing the same plant, you guide the eye naturally right to your front door. In third place, look at the soil right next to your path because tired, faded mulch can make even a brand new walkway look neglected. We often blame the concrete or stone when a simple frame refresh is all we actually need to elevate the entry. Before laying anything down, spend 10 minutes pulling stray weeds, clearing out dead leaves, and smoothing the bare dirt. Spreading a fresh 2-inch layer of dark hardwood mulch instantly grounds the space, creating a rich, clean backdrop that makes your green plants pop. A single cubic yard of retail hardwood mulch only costs around $30 to $45, yet it completely changes how the walkway reads from the street. If you prefer a stone look, crushed gravel provides excellent drainage and lasts for years without breaking down. Or for a living border, try starter plugs of creeping thyme. It fills in over a season or two, handles light foot traffic, and releases a lovely scent. Keeping your material level with the path makes the yard feel polished. Fourth on our list, adding simple path lights prevents your beautiful walkway from completely disappearing the moment the sun goes down. A walkway can look perfectly lovely in the afternoon, but without proper illumination, it loses all its charm and safety after dark. Introducing warm, soft light will extend your home's welcoming mood well into the evening, making the transition from the driveway to your front porch feel secure and inviting. You do not need to hire an electrician or spend a fortune. Simple solar or low-voltage fixtures operating between 150 and 350 lumens work beautifully. For the best result, select bulbs with a warm temperature around 2,700 Kelvin to create a cozy amber glow. Place these fixtures straight and evenly spaced, about 4 feet apart, along just one side of your path or nestled near important turns and steps. This single-sided approach guides guests safely without creating a glaring, blinding runway effect. It is a quick update that instantly makes your entry feel safer, warmer, and beautifully finished. Fifth on our list, look at where your walkway actually ends, because a beautiful path needs a destination that feels just as cared for. If the area right by your front door is empty, dark, cluttered, or mismatched, the whole entry feels incomplete no matter how lovely your pathway looks. Think of this spot as the final handshake of your home. You don't need a massive renovation to make it feel intentional. Instead, focus on small, comforting details. Swap out a tired, faded doormat for a fresh, clean one that spans the width of your door. Add a pair of matching planters on either side of the entrance to create instant symmetry and structure. If space is tight, even a single, well-placed pot with bright seasonal flowers can breathe life into the space. Sweep away cobwebs, wash down the step, and perhaps hang a simple green wreath to tie everything together. These quick, inexpensive changes give visitors a warm place to pause, creating a clear and inviting landing that beautifully completes the entry. Sixth on our list, repeating just one color is the easiest designer secret to make your entire front entrance feel instantly cohesive and high-end. You do not need an expensive planting plan or a massive budget to achieve a polished look. Instead, pick a single color theme and let it echo quietly along your path and right up onto your porch. For example, if you love warm terracotta pots on your steps, place some warm-toned flowers in the garden bed right next to the walkway. If you prefer a sleek, modern look, pair dark black planters near the door with crisp white flowers along the stones. You can weave this same color thread through your plant foliage, porch decor, or a simple front door wreath. When the eye catches the same shade appearing more than once, it naturally connects the spaces. This simple repetition makes your entire front entry feel calmer, more intentional, and beautifully finished without spending a fortune. Seventh on our list, clearing away everyday clutter and visual distractions is the absolute fastest, zero-budget way to make your front walkway look instantly expensive. Think about the small things that tend to collect near our paths over time. A tangled green garden hose, a cracked plastic pot, a faded decorative yard flag, or a solar light that stopped working 3 seasons ago. Even weeds creeping through concrete cracks or overgrown foliage can quietly steal attention away from your beautiful entryway. Taking 15 minutes to sweep the path, pull those weeds, and relocate anything that does not belong there acts as the ultimate frame for your home. Trim back any branches that brush against your guests, keeping the walking space wide open and easy to navigate. By subtracting the chaos, you let the clean lines and your lovely plants finally breathe. Beautifying your entrance does not require a massive budget or a major construction project. Just a few small, thoughtful steps that say, welcome before you even reach the door. If you want more simple curb appeal and garden design ideas, subscribe. Across these 7 steps, one truth emerges. A welcoming entrance isn't about expensive construction, but thoughtful care. By framing your existing path with simple, intentional details, you transform how your whole home feels. It's your home's first handshake. Subscribe for more practical curb appeal guides.